Find the gradient and y-intercept of the line 3x plus 5y equals 5. 3x plus 5y equals 5. Now, there are different ways to do this. As far as the actual y-intercept, you could just make x0, substitute and solve. But seeing as we want the gradient as well, and I think the way you're most likely to remember and do, I hope, is by putting it into the gradient intercept form. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn it into y equals mx plus c form, where actually you can see the gradient, that's the m, and you can see the y-intercept, that's the c. So then all we need to do is make y the subject of this equation, then the answers will just be there in front of us. So make y the subject, we need to get rid of this 3x first, so that would say 5y equals, well, we need to subtract 3x from both sides, so this will be gone from here, and we're going to have a minus 3x over here. You can put it here or you can put it here. Given that I'm aiming at this, I'm going to put it in front of the 5, so minus 3x, and so I'm going to put plus 5 because it's not minus 5. Right, now I need to divide through by 5, so y equals minus 3x plus 5 over 5, which isn't quite the form we want because we want two separate terms, the x term or the mx term and the c. So I need to get rid of this 5. It's just like distributing in a bracket really. It's like expanding a bracket with a fifth at the front. So y equals minus 3x over 5, which could also be written as minus 3 over 5x, plus 5 over 5, which could also be written as 1. This is the equation in gradient intercept form. We've been asked for the gradient and the y-intercept. Gradient, remember, is the bit in front of the x once you've made y the subject. So gradient equals minus 3 over 5, which means it for every 5 along to the right, it goes 3 down. Y-intercept is 1. Remember, for a y-intercept, don't give a coordinate unless it specifically asks for it. If it just asks for y-intercept, it's a number, and in this case the number is 1.